Alright guys, thank you so very much for everybody who has subscribed. Greatly appreciate it. I know there was that deadline at the end of September. Well, I went and did something crazy. This is the New York Rider magazine. It's our local biker magazine, but I will put a link that you can see it online. There is something special in that. And if you subscribe in October, actually anytime, because I didn't put a deadline on it. So if you subscribe and mention what you find in this magazine, then you will still get in on the fun. And what fun am I talking about? Well, I don't know. What? Let's go for a ride. And then we'll talk a little bit more about it and have fun. That's what it's all about anyways, right? Riding and having fun. So, let me get out of here and we'll go for a ride. In case you don't know who I am, my name's Dawn and I work here at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson, and this is my life behind bars. Handlebars, that is. I did not put my fingerprints all over it. There we go. Yay. Technical stuff. Oh, but look what I got. Heated gear. So, turn on the bike. Yeah, just trying to figure my stuff out. Bye. We're not in neutral. Oh my goodness. There we go. Alright, bike's running. My heated gear's coming on. I can feel that. So that's nice. Alright. Oh, cute poppers. So again, guys, thank you very much for subscribing. I know there's a lot of other YouTubers out there that are like, woo, I've got 300 subscribers and woo, I'm almost at 100,000 subscribers. Well, at this point in time, I've got 62, I think, which is my goal for the year, was to have triple the number of subscribers I had at the end of the year going into it, which was 54. We met that. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And hopefully, one of these days, when I'm the one who's going, woo, I've got over 1,000 subscribers, you guys can say, well, I knew her when. On my way home from the dealership, which really, working at the dealership is kind of like a second life almost, really. My first life, I worked in the medical field when I lived out in Northern California. Met and married my husband. He went in the military, joined the U.S. Army, became an infantryman. We went overseas to Germany, lived in Germany for a total of 6 years. That was gorgeous. Volunteered in medical clinics while I was over there because we had 2 young children at the time. Oh, look at this road. This is so pretty. I should have brought my actual camera and stopped to take some pictures. Oh, that is gorgeous, guys. where was I? Oh, yeah. So, Germany, 2 young kids. I volunteered in medical clinics. And then also, of course, for the PTA and the FRG. And that was fun. I can't tell. Are you coming towards me? I got enough room, right? Sure. Yes, thank you. So we did 3 years in Germany, spent a little time in Muskogee, Oklahoma. Went back to Germany for another 3 years. Moved to northern New York, Fort Drum. Then moved down to Atlanta. Before moving back up here. So I was able to get a job with Harley-Davidson of Atlanta. And there they had the basic rider's course that I could take as part of my benefits. And that's 2009 is when I officially became licensed. I got my M endorsement on my driver's license. So I was all legal and stuff. That is Watertown, guys. In case you ever want to visit, you know what it looks like. It's pretty beautiful. So then, after getting my license and learning to ride down in Atlanta, moved back up here to northern New York, back up to Fort Drum. Brought my bike with me, of course. Went back to work at Iron Block Harley-Davidson as motor clothes manager. And motor clothes manager evolved into marketing manager. I love putting ads together, getting the videos and the prints from Harley that show off the bikes that tell their own story. You know, most recently there was Jason Momoa, who did a series. I don't even really want to call them commercials. It was a series of stories, 6 stories that followed 6 different people and what riding means to them. How cool is that? How beautiful is this? I mean, really, I couldn't think of anything else I'd rather be doing. With the exception of maybe someday working at the motor company itself, directly for Harley-Davidson. I think that would be really, really cool. So, yeah, this is a lot of fun. Grateful that I get to share this joy that I have with all of you. Because we certainly need it these days, don't we? everybody's going through their own stuff right now. Which is okay. You just gotta find a way through it, and hopefully my vlog, this vlog, will... oh my god, it's so gorgeous! This will bring that some peace, some calm, some joy to your life that you're able to hold on to. If you ride, you already know what I'm talking about, and are probably shaking your head yes. Yes, this is quite joyful. I mean, not even just the autumn colors, but the sheer fact of riding. It is such a sense of freedom. A big moment. Alright, so I guess I'll shut up because I can't think of another way to put it. And you guys are probably getting tired of hearing me talk. So I will leave off with saying thank you again to my subscribers. Remember to look for the New York Rider magazine. It still gives you one more chance to subscribe and get something special from me, but you gotta look for the magazine to know what I'm talking about. So I will make sure and leave that link below for those who are not in the area, so you can get it online. And oh, look at that family of deer. You guys stay over there. I mean, you guys are really cute, but stay over there. And if you guys like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you are riding a motorcycle, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you're riding. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Last but not least, if you want to be notified when I upload new content, then be sure to hit that bell. So until the next time, guys, enjoy life while you can. Be kind to each other. Ride and have fun.